Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today I'm preparing a English kitchen recipe, cheesy corn chowder. Let's get to it. We'll be starting off by putting in a chopped onion, cubed potatoes, cumin seed, sage, and some bay leaf. We're going to give this a quick stir. Yeah, we're going to add the flour, and we're going to cook it for about 2 minutes. As I stir it, now we're going to add the stock. And the light cream. We're going to bring this up to a boil. When this reaches a boil, we'll take it down to a simmer, and we'll basically going to let this simmer for 30 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. Now that the 30-minute simmer is complete, let's continue. There's the soup base. Give it a quick stir. We're going to add the corn. Gotta have corn for corn chowder. I'm using green onion, parsley, just a skosh of nutmeg, and dry white wine. And we're going to simmer this for about 5 minutes. Now that the short simmer is done, we're going to go ahead and add the strong cheddar cheese. And we're just going to stir this until it incorporates. Okay, the cheese is incorporated. On to the next step. And here's the final presentation of the English kitchen's cheesy corn chowder. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have fun cooking.